Help, I cannot find distilled water anywhere for my CPAP machine, especially during the coronavirus epidemic, right? So what do you do? Now, we've been getting a lot of calls on this, right? And you can go online, you can try shopping it there, but it's out everywhere else, right? So a couple of things, guys. I'm going to show you, I'm going to give you two answers to this thing. The first one is use tap water or bottled drinking water. There's nothing wrong with it other than the fact the difference between bottled water and distilled water or or tap water and distilled water is distilled water has no mineral deposits in it. There's just no mineral buildup in it at all. I mean, not minerals inside it, okay? So that means you just have to be on top of washing your humidifier, CPAP humidifier, more rigorously. That's all you have to do until this epidemic subsides. You will be able to use distilled water. Now, otherwise, like I say, use bottled drinking water, right? Now, I'm going to show you another thing, and this is actually on WikiHow. It shows you how you can make your own distilled water, right? Remember, what distilled water is this? When you boil water, you know how when you boil water, you have steam? Well, the steam is what they capture and put it in the bottle. The steam is the distilled water part. This will show you how to do it, all right? It tells you to fill up a pot. And then, by the way, the links to this page is going to be in the show notes, okay? Um, and then they tell you to put a glass bowl, right? And then put a lid on it. You put the lid of this what do you call these? What do you call this thing? This pot, right? I'm losing my mind here, right? You put some ice on it just to create a temperature difference. And what's going to happen is underneath this lid, there will be condensation there, and it will drop into the bowl, and the bowl will capture the distilled water, right? And it says here, and then just carefully take it out and take the bowl out. And what's in the bowl here, in this glass bowl here, what they're showing is the distilled water. So you can make it yourself. Now, I have never done it before. I was just introduced to this by somebody who actually has done it. But, I thought that was a really great idea. Try it out for yourself, okay? So how to make distilled water. I'm sure if you put a Google search on it, you'll find it. I found it, it's on WikiHow, okay? So please do not work yourself up or overly concerned if you cannot find distilled water. Nothing's really going to happen to your CPAP machine or BiPAP machine in the short term, right? Just use it once this pandemic is under control, you will get to use your distilled water. You just have to be on top of vigorously and religiously cleaning your CPAP machine and your humidifier, okay? The humidifier chamber. All right. Hope this helps.